Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron po tayong good news sa mga mababanggit na agencies dito. Itong Resolution number 2025-2, Resolution of Appeals on the Grant of FY 2023 Performance-Based Bonus as of April 25, 2025. Ito po yung mga apila ng mga agency na magkaroon sana sila ng PBB 2023. So, ano ba ang laman nito? Basahin po natin. Ito, sabi dito, whereas AO number 61, series of 2024, mandates the establishment of a streamlined and simplified government performance management and incentive system, harmonizing the results-based performance management system and the performance-based incentive or PBI system with the Ease of Doing Business initiative. Tapos ito pa, medyo maraming mga whereas nga dyan, kasi nga ito ay resolution. Siguro medyo doon tayo sa medyo importante, Ito, AO number 61 directs that TWG created thereunder to prepare for a transition plan for the grant of FY 2023 performance-based bonus to be submitted to the Office of the President through the Office of the Executive Secretary within 3 months from the effectivity of said issuance. So, whereas upon approval by the OPOAS, said transition plan, the AO number 61 TW issued resolution number 2024-25 to resume the FY 2023 PBB cycle following the guidelines provided in the AO number 25 Interagency Task Force Memorandum Circular number 2023-1. Whereas the said AO number 61 TW resolution included an annex providing the guidelines on the filing and resolution of appeals on the grant of FY 2023 PBB. Whereas the AO number 61 TWG has received and reviewed the appeals submitted by various participating agencies requesting reconsideration on the results of their final eligibility assessment for the grant of PBB. Tingnan po natin. Ito nakalagay, now therefore be it resolved as it is hereby resolved by the members of the AO number 61 TWG that the appeals of the following participating agencies are deemed resolved. Ito, congrats po. 1.1 ay yung Department of Budget and Management. 1.2, Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University. 1.3 ay yung Komisyon sa Wikang Filipino. Ito pa, 1.4 Local Government Academy. 1.5 Mariano Marcos State University. Sunod ay Metals Industry Research and Development Center. Number 7, Office of the Government Corporate Council. 1.8, Philippine Air Force. 1.9, Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare. 1.10 ay Philippine Statistics Research and Training Institute. 1.11, Philippine Statistics Authority. 1.12, the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor. And 1.13, yung PRC, Professional Regulation Commission. So the said participating agencies shall be notified in writing by the AO number 61 TWG through the DBM as chairperson of the results of the revalidation. The response of the AO number 61 TWG to the appeals are final upon issuance consistent with item 3.3 of Annex A of AO number 61 TWG Resolution number 2024-2. Resolve further that a copy of this resolution shall be posted in the Department of Budget and Management website and furnished to all offices concerned for their information and appropriate action. Yan. Sign na po nila Amena F. Pangandaman, DBM Chairperson or Secretary, Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamen. Sa Finance, si Ralph Recto at saka Secretary ng Department of Economy, Planning and Development, Arsenio M. Balisacan. Mga ka-Jesnabs, wala pa po yung DepEd, ano? Siguro mare-resolve din naman yon, ano? Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Pa-subscribe naman.